Hello YouTube, welcome to Portfolio. I am Harsh Kumar, and in this video we will ponder the question, what is JavaScript? In ancient times, JavaScript is a client-side programming language, but now we can use this awesome programming language in servers too. Imagination is the only limitation we have with the JavaScript. In this tutorial, we don't need to focus on HTML, so we only focus on JavaScript. We can initialize JavaScript in two places, head section or body section, with the script tag. Or we can use this script tag in head section also, but using JavaScript in the body section, or to be precise, in the bottom of the body section is the best practice because in this case JavaScript loads at the last moment of the page renders. So let's see how JavaScript works. For now, don't worry about code. I will explain you in future. So I'm just copy pasting the code and try to explain you briefly what is JavaScript. So let me add an alert and open this page in live server. Now you can see alert is appear while rendering, and now notice in the top corner of the screen page is still loading. That's because this alert box is holding the life cycle of the web page. So as soon as we click OK, rendering will complete. Basically, JavaScript is the brain of the website, and HTML and CSS are the body and skin of the website. We can use JavaScript for single page applications and server side applications as well, with the help of modern technologies which we cover later, and we can use to interact with the user. Let me show you how. Now in this small code snippet, we are only adding two numbers, 1 and 2, and storing in some kind of container. It's a variable. We will talk about it in the next video in detail. What are variables? And after that, we are doing console log and printing this value which is stored in this variable. So let's see what will happen. Press OK. Refresh. Press OK. Number 1. Let's say 3. Press OK. Number 2. 6. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. And now where is the result? Result in console. We will use console often in this course. So right click, code is stacked, and click console tab. Here is the statement. The sum of two number is 9. Even though our code is work well, there is a slight issue with our code. I have not write this code professionally. It's not a good way to write JavaScript. What I'm trying to tell you, just copy this script, or you can cut this script. Add a folder for JS, and you always add JavaScript file. And you always add this script in this external JavaScript file, because it is much neat and clean and easy to debug your code. So let's check what we get now. Refresh. Now we get nothing because we have not connected this JavaScript file in our desired HTML page. Like cases We also need to link JavaScript file to our HTML by using source src JavaScript path, and that's it. Now see what will happen. Our code work fine. I hope so. Yes. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. And that's all for now. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for the latest update on this channel. Keep coding, keep practicing, keep learning new things and improving yourself day by day. Bye bye, take care for now. I will see you in the next video.